G'day guys, we are seeing a lot of damaged, for a couple of years now, damaged headlight sockets. This is ZRE182R, I think, is it, Matt? Basically, these HIR two globes, they do the high beam and the low beam, okay? It's a bit of a design flaw that when the globe goes, you actually don't have any lights at all. Now, the issue with these globes is, that's the closed position, that's the open position, and it is meant to come out there, but it doesn't. All you got to do is rock it back and forwards and take it out. Very unlike Toyota to do this, but they've done it. And we've had people coming in here going super cheap, do them for $20. Oh, go ahead, see you later. But yeah, bring it to the, so let's just see, 3 o'clock position approximately, or like that, and rock it back and forwards and bring it out. It's very unusual, but look, we have trouble with it too. We're just not into breaking things. So yeah, HIR2. Hope that helps. Bye.